Welcome to today's update. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the possibilities of CHAINLINK hitting $26 in the next bull market. Already in this current market condition, we are sitting at $8 level, and a move from the $8 level to $26, this is going to give us approximately 211% to the upside. And also taking a look at the price here on the weekly time frame, we are currently sitting at a multi-year key level of support. And if we can see the price hold firmly above this level, just like what we saw back in 2024 and also here in 2020, we are definitely going to see CHAINLINK heading to much more higher prices. We have a lot to talk about here in today's video. Just make sure you watch this video to the end, because by the end of this video, you will fully know that CHAINLINK is one of the best altcoin in this current bear market. Now, taking a look at the monthly price chart, right now we are sitting at a multi-key level of support, respecting this trend line right here. And if history should repeat itself, we are definitely going to see CHAINLINK having a major pump from this level, because if you take a look at it, every time we hit this level right here, we have always seen a major rally here in 2020 and also here in 2023. So if history should repeat itself, we are definitely going to see CHAINLINK rallying to much more higher prices, because here in 2020 we saw the price from this level having about 2,388% to the upside. And also here in 2023 we saw the price moved 419% from this level. So right now, if we are to be looking at average of 419% to the upside from this level, we are definitely going to be looking at about $43 per link. So right now we are looking very bullish on the monthly time frame. The only way this price action or this price setup can be invalidated is if we see the monthly candle closing below this trend line here. But as long as we hold above this trend line, I'm expecting the price to repeat the same price structure we saw back in 2023 and also in 2020. So as you can see, the monthly time frame is looking very bullish. Shifting our focus to the weekly time frame, you will also see that we are currently sitting at a major key level of support. But my major focus on the weekly time frame is the RSI right here, because right now we are closer to the oversold level, and the last time we saw that kind of price action was back here in 2022, and what we saw next from the price was a consolidation phase that led us into a massive rally. So right now we are repeating the same price structure. We are already in the consolidation phase, and what I'm expecting from the price is a major rally, just like what we saw back in 2022. And if we are to get a rally from this level, the only level of resistance that I'm seeing on the weekly time frame is sitting at the $22 level, and also here the $26 level. If we can break both the $22 level and also $26 level, the only resistance that I will be looking at is the all-time here, which is the all-time high here, which is about $52 level. So right now CHAINLINK is looking very promising on the monthly time frame and also here on the weekly time frame. If history should repeat itself, we are definitely going to see CHAINLINK hitting the $26 to $26 level on the price chart. And also taking a look at LINK against BTC on the weekly time frame, as you can see, we have been consolidating inside this triangle pattern, and right now we are at the peak of it, which is looking ready for a breakout. And if we can get a breakout from here, from this level right now, we are definitely going to outperform BTC, which is going to pull the price against USDT into much more higher price. So you can see CHAINLINK is looking absolutely bullish here on the weekly time frame, the monthly time frame, and also here against BTC. And also taking a look at it on the daily time frame, currently we are in a descending channel, and the last few times we've seen the price being in the descending channel, what we saw next was a massive breakout. Just like here in 2024, we saw the price consolidated in a descending channel, and right here in 2024 we had a breakout that took us to about 158% to the upside. This led CHAINLINK to hit about $30 on the price chart, and after that we went back into a consolidation phase inside a descending channel. And also in 2025 we saw a breakout from the descending channel that sent us to about 143% to the upside, and this led the price to hit $27 on the price chart. Right now in this current 2026 bear market, we are already in a descending channel, and now we are testing the resistance here on the descending channel. And if we are going to get a breakout, I'm definitely looking at the price hitting the $26 here on the price chart, and this is going to give us about 211% 11% to the upside. So as you can see, Chainlink is absolutely bullish right now, and it's one of the tokens that I'm currently accumulating in this bear market. I'm not saying you should do what I'm doing right now, but if you take a look at the price, we are looking extremely bullish. So that is it for the Chainlink price chart. And also, if you take a look at on-chain data right there, you see that ways that are holding 1 million Link token have grown by 25% in just 1 year. So Link is currently cooking something that we really need to take a look at. I'm highly bullish on Link at this level because I feel and I believe that with all of these data combined together, we are definitely going to see a proper rally and a mega rally from Chainlink. So this is what we are currently having on Chainlink price chart. Like what I said, what we need to do now in order to avoid the invalidation of this price setup is to hold firmly above this level of support, the $8 level. If we can hold above it, then we are definitely going to see a major rally from this level. And also, we should be taking a look at the triangle right here. What I'm expecting from the price is a break from this level right here, which is going to send us into much more higher prices. But if we see the price breaking below the triangle, this is going to invalidate this price setup right here. And also on the daily time frame, what I'm expecting from the price right now is a break, but is a break above the trend line, just like what we saw back in 2025 and also here in 2024. But if we see the price breaking below this this level of support right here, this will definitely invalidate this price setup. But taking a look at the technical analysis of it, we are looking very bullish if we hold this level of support. So that is it for the Chainlink price chart. If you find this video very useful and informative, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to continue to watch this kind of video, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that next time when I make a specific video just like this, you will definitely be notified. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.